Alright, this is 21 Explorer. How to access the auxiliary battery and the telecommunications unit. Try to make this short and sweet. Remove that cover. Remove both of these covers. This panel pops loose, or actually, I want to take this inner panel first, which I got this stuff already popped loose. I'm just going back through it. Then you can pop this one. Don't forget to unplug that sensor. I'm not sure what that is, but you'll need to replug that back in. And then this panel just pops loose. It's got the cup holder in it. Pop it out. And then you can access the auxiliary battery or the telecommunication unit. So on a vehicle like this, if you were trying to do a power reset of the battery, you would also need to disconnect that. Be careful, don't arc the wires. There is actually a fuse on that, so if you do arc the wires, it'll blow that fuse, and that fuse is expensive, so try not to do that. Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching. Follow, like, share.